Hi guys! Today I'll be showing you how to make a no-bake Oreo cheesecake. And what's even better is that it only has 3 ingredients. This has been quite a popular cake sold within cafes in Korea. You can make this for any occasion, whether it be for birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, or for work parties. I've already planned to make this again to take to Christmas parties. It's perfect for last minute baking, except you don't even need the oven. But you will need a freezer or a refrigerator, and a cake tin or any sort of container that can hold the cake in shape. Let's go! You'll need 4 packs of Oreos, 200 grams of cream cheese, and around 150 ml of fresh cream, which we will use to turn into whipped cream. First, separate out the Oreo cream from the Oreo biscuits. Gently twist the Oreo biscuits and then scrape the cream part off with a butter knife. It took me around 5 minutes to take apart 1 pack of Oreo. The biscuits break easily, but that's okay. Look, it's your lucky day. You've come across a special Oreo where they've put the cream on the wrong side. This is how much cream and biscuits came out from 1 pack of Oreos. And this is from 2 packs of Oreos, 3 packs of Oreos, and 4 packs of Oreos. Now, grab the cream cheese and open the box as per instructions. Mix the cream cheese together with the Oreo cream. It would have been better if I had sliced up the block of cream cheese. Now we turn to the cream. Turn the fresh cream into whipped cream using an electric beater. If you don't have an electric beater, I suggest you just buy whipped cream to save time. Mix the whipped cream into the Oreo cream and cream cheese mixture. I lined a plastic container with tin foil and then laid down the Oreo biscuits at the bottom. Then, on top of this, I layered the cream. Again, line with Oreo biscuits on top. You can break biscuits in bits like this to cover some gaps. And then again, cover with cream. I repeated this process 4 times in total, and by then the cream was all used up. On the other hand though, I had heaps of leftover biscuits. I'll show you what I did with the leftover biscuits at the end. Now, we'll crush some of these leftover Oreo biscuits to use as decoration. Even after this, I still had plenty of biscuits left over. Now, it's time to put the cake in the freezer for 1 hour, or you can leave it in the fridge for a few hours. I glad wrapped the top and secured it with a rubber band before leaving mine in the fridge overnight.
8 hours later.
And here is the cake. I'm surprised how well it turned out with only 3 ingredients, and the cake still maintains the shape. Some people claim that it tastes better the next day. Let me know if you agree. This is what the bottom of the cake looks like, by the way. It's effortless to make, but still loved by everyone. Now, for the leftover Oreo biscuits, I had no idea what I'd do with it, so I just grinded it using the blender. And now I can enjoy a spoonful of Oreo biscuits in my milk or with Greek yogurt. Yum! If you found this video useful, please show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more. Enjoy!